Thank you. Senator, when you want to close for the bill?
Yes, thank you, Mr. Chairman. I think there's great concern. There's great concern in many states over the financial impact of the Federal Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act. My bill specifically speaks to the accountability, transparency of what we are about to do in the state of Arkansas. It also protects the integrity of our General Assembly. Many, many times I have heard you, Mr. Chairman, in committees say to me and to others, my colleagues, that the campaign's over. It's time to govern. I couldn't agree with you more. I believe it is time for governing. It's time for our General Assembly. It's time for our senators and our legislators, our representatives, to be at the table in discussion. I have tremendous respect for my colleagues in the Senate and the House of Representatives. I have confidence in our ability to work with our state agencies and our administration as we make the tough decisions before us that impact our future. My children, I have 4. They're enrolled in public schools in the state of Arkansas. They receive a great education. I am concerned at the impact that this implementation will have on education in our state 4 or 5 years from now. I'm concerned about the impact that this legislation may have on our state budget. And I believe the integrity of our General Assembly is at stake. And I think that this bill completely underlies the authority that we have as the elected representatives and officials of the state of this Arkansas. We have to answer to our constituents and to the people in the state of Arkansas. And we need to make sure that our state legislation is in place. Our state legislation helps us, guides us, seeks what the answers that we are trying to find for the people of the state of Arkansas. And that's what this bill does. It provides a roadmap. It provides a tool of how our state agencies implement this federal law. It's a disciplined approach that provides accountability, maintains the integrity of our elected body as the policymakers of our state, as we are protected under the Arkansas Constitution to do. It provides transparency, a thoughtful dialogue and deliberation on how we financially plan to cover the cost today and the cost 4 to 5 years from now. I would just repeat to you that we're elected. We're elected to represent our constituents. We're elected to represent the people of the state of Arkansas. The night before my brother died, he told me that life is like a stage. Every moment we're in the spotlight. There are consequences, intended and unintended, for the actions that we take, for the words that we are spoke. We're on that stage right now. The Senate and the House of Representatives of this great state, we are on that stage. We're in the spotlight. Our actions have consequences. The legislation that we pass has consequences, intended and unintended. My bill attempts to answer those consequences that are intended and unintended. It provides accountability, it provides transparency, and it provides a thoughtful accountability to the people of this state. It's our job to be thoughtful, transparent, deliberate about how we move forward for the people of our state. I urge my fellow senators on this committee, listen to the voices of your constituents. Listen to the people of the state. We owe it to them to do our jobs, to do it deliberately and thoughtfully, and I would appreciate a good vote.
Thank you, Senator. And you've done an excellent job. And I want to thank the committee members and members of the audience and the ones that made their presentations. It was a very good debate, a very civil debate, and I'm proud to be an American.